Welcome to Ampi's Electrical and Electronics Services, the one-stop solution for all your electromechanical needs. Picture this: a dedicated team of experts, adept in the installation and commissioning of electromechanical systems, ensuring your systems operate with optimal functionality. What you get is not just a service, but a guarantee of excellence. But what happens when the inevitable wear and tear sets in? That's where Ampus steps in again with efficient and reliable repair and maintenance services. We ensure your electromechanical systems keep running smoothly, making downtime a thing of the past. And it doesn't stop there. Ampes is also your trusted partner for high-quality electromechanical equipment. We source from reputable manufacturers, catering to your diverse needs and ensuring you get nothing but the best. When it comes to motors, both AC and DC, count on us for comprehensive support. From repair and maintenance to troubleshooting, we've got it all covered. We make sure your motors run smoothly, ensuring your operations never come to a standstill. In addition to all these, we also provide a reliable supply of electrical and electronic components, coupled with proactive maintenance services. Operational excellence is not just a phrase for us, it's a commitment we live by every day. So, what are you waiting for? Ampis Electrical and Electronic Services is here to provide tailored solutions to meet your requirements. Contact us today and let us take care of your electromechanical needs.